know there's a kind of bird that doesn't have any legs, so it can't land on nothing. It lives its whole life on the wing. When it gets tired, it just spreads its wings and sleeps on the wind. If it ever does land, even but one time, that's when it dies.
Good evening. Elvis Presley died today. He was 42. Apparently it was a heart attack. He was found at his home in Memphis.
President Carter has just made a statement.
Elvis Presley's death deprives our country of a part of itself. He was unique and irreplaceable.
Thousands of mourners have gathered outside the gates of Graceland.
Using the styles
to pay their
of white
respects.
country and black rhythm and blues permanently changed the face of American popular
The
culture.
outpouring of grief can be seen everywhere.
It was a symbol to people the world over of vitality, rebelliousness, and the
What
good humor
killed
of this country.
my boy? Them doctors say it was his heart. Others, the pills. Some say it was me. No, I'll tell you what killed him. It was love. His love for you. You know, a few weeks before he died, I saw him sing for the very last time. He could barely stand up.
You know there's a kind of bird that